just the same food.
Uh-oh! Chloe!
Something down here.
Look, Eric.
What?
Look on the flower bed.
I know, I see eggs.
I see them too.
I need something else to get them with.
Does Grandma got your other basket?
She's like, here, take it.
She's like, no, that one broke. Give it back.
Look here, she's gonna stuff it. She's like, yep, it's good. Who needs a basket?
Chloe! Chloe! Charlie sounds like he's calling a dog. Come here, Chloe.
I do that too. I go. See if she puts it in her shirt.